Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss question answer of the chapter number 4, that is the cloud. Earlier we had discussed in my previous video we had discussed the chapter the cloud, all the explanation, all the topic, important topic, that is difference between sentence, clause and phrase, and then we had discussed types of clause. So I hope all of you have understood it. Now today we will discuss question answer. So without any delay, let's get started to the exercise A. Well, here you can see exercise A. Circle the phrase and underline the clauses among the following group of words. So if in there are 10 sentences given in the exercise, we have to identify whether the sentence had phrase or the sentence had clause. So first question, that is the dog sat under the table. Here under the table it is phrase because it had no subject as well as predicate, and also there is no verb in the sentence. So under the table it is phrase, so we have to underline it, circle it. After the second sentence, Amit is a man who had great courage. Here there is in this sentence the group of words who had great courage, it is subject, who is subject and had it verb. So who had great courage, it is called clause, so we have to underline it. I tried to learn English but in vain. Here but in vain, it is group of words which makes incomplete sense, so it is called phrase. As you can see, I have already done circle. I have already done the circle, the group of words. She lives in the house across the road. Across the road. Across the road is phrase. Next question, she came when we called her. Here when is subject, so it is clause. Now let's move to the exercise B. Identify the noun clauses and underline them. I fear that I shall fall. Here that is subject, I is subject, and shall is verb, so it is noun clause. That I shall fall, it is noun clause. No one knows who she is noun clause. I do not know what he wants. Here what he wants, it is subject, so it is called group of words is clause. The student said that the tests were very difficult. Here the group of words that the tests were very difficult, it is clause. The man who comes first will get the prize. Who comes first will get the prize is clause. I thought that it would be a fine day. I want to see what had happened. Now we know why everybody was ignoring her. She wondered why she was not included in the debate team. It is uncertain whether he will come. So all these sentences I have already underlined the clause that is mentioned in the question. So I hope you will understand the question and we will able to solve the question. Now let's move to the exercise C. In the following sentences, identify the noun phrases and circle them. Pick out the noun clauses and underline them. So basically in this question there are 5 sentences given in the chapter, and we have to identify whether the sentence had noun phrases or noun clauses. If the sentence had noun phrases, we have to circle the group of words, and if it had clause, we have to underline the group of words. So first question, I believe what he said. What is subject, so it is clause. I heard of his success. Heard of his success. Of his success, it is phrase because it had no subject. He tells a tale that sounds untrue. So that is clause. We predict a change in the weather. It is phrase. The doctors are hopeful that she will soon recover. It is clause because there is subject in the group of words. Moving to the next exercise D. Pick out the adjective clause in the following sentences and indicate the nouns and the pronouns they describe. The umbrella which had a broken handle in mind. Here, which had broken handle in mind, it is an noun clause. Okay, but we have to identify the noun. The umbrella is noun because adjective gives more information about the noun, that is the umbrella. The dog that bites does not bark. The dog is noun and the that bites does not bark is noun clause. I have not received the letter you sent me last week. You sent me last week, it is noun clause and I is pronoun. The girl who sits near is my cousin. The girl is noun and who sits near is my cousin is noun clause. Where is the boy who was waiting for the principal? The boy is noun and the rest of the part is noun clause. People who eat too much become fat. People is noun. Noun is people. Sorry, the noun is people. The playground where we play is not well maintained. The noun is the playground. That is the toy that my uncle gave me. That my uncle gave me is noun clause and the toy is noun. So all the question I have already done. Hope you will get it. Let's move to the exercise E. In the following sentences, replace each adjective phrase in bold with an adjective clause by adding that, which, who, and so on. First of the sentence, it is given as the example. So we have to start from the question number 2. The car going to Sahibabad went on the wrong route and reached Noida. So it is phrase going to Sahibabad. It is phrase. So we have to convert it into adjective clause. So the car which is going to Sahibabad went on the wrong route and reached India. So which is going to Sahibabad, it is clause. A man of industrious habit is sure to succeed. A man who had of industrious habit is sure to succeed. The pupil with a green basket is mine. The cycle with a green basket is mine. The cycle that had with a green basket is mine. The boy in a white shirt could not get into the train. The boy who is in the white shirt could not get into the train. Next question, pick out the adverb clause in the following sentences. I joined the NCC when I was in the 7th grade. I plant tree wherever I find the suitable place. Okay, I have not done this question because maybe there was a mistake. I plant tree wherever I find some suitable place. It is adverb clause. She is not coming with us as she had not finished her homework. In this sentence, the group of words start from as she had not finished her homework. It is an adverb clause. Hit the ball hard as Sumit does. Don't handle those glasses as if they were made of iron. I am standing where I can see him coming. I can see him coming is an adverb clause. The football match had started when we reached the ground. When we reach the ground is adverb clause. While I have my dinner, you can do for the packing. They can sleep where they are. You should not make noise when the teacher is teaching in the classroom. It is called when the teacher is teaching in the classroom. It is an adverb clause. Question exercise G. In this question we have to replace adverb phrase and write the adverb clause. After their selection, the participants were asked to perform before the audience. Since they got selected, the participants were asked to perform before the audience. On his way to the school, Tom visited his uncle. As he was going to the school, Tom visited his uncle. On his return home, Amit visited the store. Well, the answer is as he was returning home, Amit visited the store. Last question, that is, he could not attend the meeting due to his sickness. He could not attend the meeting because of his sickness. So last exercise, H. Identify the clause in the following sentences and mention whether they are noun adjective or adverb clause. So question number 1. As soon as the children came in, the party began. Well, the as soon as the children came in, it is noun clause. I forgot what you asked me to do. What you asked me to do, it is noun clause. The bicycle which Sapna is riding is mine. Which Sapna is riding, it is adjective clause. Our friends had arrived when we got home, it is an adverb clause. They saw the crowd that gathered at the stadium, it is an adverb clause. Use the paintbrush as I showed you yesterday, it is an adverb clause because it is an adverb of time. The chief guest who gave away the prize praised Priya, it is noun clause. He visited the house where he was born. Here he was born, it is an adjective place that describes the noun, that is the house. The man sleeps where he wants to, it is an adverb clause. The house that is visible from the window, it is said to be haunted. It is an adjective clause because the word haunted gives information about the word noun, that is noun. So in this video we have discussed all the question answer of chapter number 4, the clause. I hope you have got all the answer. Next video we will start a new chapter. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.